What is up everyone, Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be unboxing the LG Aristo 2 from Metro PCS. Stay tuned. What's up everyone? I know I haven't been doing unboxings or anything in a while, but now we have a new competitor in the game. This is the LG Aristo 2, and I picked this up in Las Vegas when I was over there at CES, so definitely would love to take a look at this phone and see what it has to offer. Now before we get into the box, we do have a price right here. I took out all of my numbers and account information and everything, so you guys can go ahead and see what I paid. So I ended up paying $66 for literally everything. So I got the unlimited line and the LG Aristo 2, so I paid $66 for all of this. So basically all you have to do is pay for the line right now, and you have to pay the tax of the phone. So all it came out to was $66, so very affordable, especially if you want the unlimited plan. Now let's go ahead and get into this phone. If we take a look at the back, we do have some specifications right here. So we have a 4G LTE enabled phone, 5.0 HD IPS display, so this is going to be a 720p display. We have a 13 megapixel phase detection autofocus rear camera with LED flash, 5 megapixel front facing camera, 16 gigabytes of ROM, 2 gigabytes of RAM. I believe you can go all the way up to 256 gigabytes via micro SD card if you guys would like to expand your memory. We also have a removable back on this device, so that's a really huge up. We have a 1.4 gigahertz quad core processor as well on this device. What's inside? We have an LG Aristo 2 phone, battery, SIM card, charger with USB data cable, and a quick start guide. Now let's go ahead and get inside of the box. Let's go ahead and take this sticker off. Pop this box open. We have the phone right here. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. If we open up the box, first thing we have is the SIM card. Next is the data cable. We also have a battery that I took out of the packaging. Now this is a 2410 milliamp battery, so only 2410 milliamps. Let's see how that lasts in the review. And here is our travel adapter. And last but not least, the literature or the quick start guide that no one reads. So that is literally all we have in the box. Now let's go ahead and get to the phone. Now first impressions on this phone is we do have a kind of glossy back, and I have to tell you, this is a fingerprint magnet. This is a very reflective back as well, and if you guys do not like finger magnet backs, then I do recommend getting a case. So definitely go ahead and find a case for the LG Aristo 2, because you will not like the fingerprints that will be left on here. But it does look very nice, very elegant, very stylish and modern. But yeah, if you guys don't really care about leaving fingerprints on the back of your phone, then so be it. Definitely you guys can go naked on this phone and be just fine. We have our main button right here, which is the power button. We have the LED flash and the 13 megapixel rear facing camera. We also have an LG emblem down there, and we have our back speaker. So our speaker is actually on the back. So at the top of the phone we have a noise canceling mic. Bottom of the phone we have another noise canceling mic. We have micro USB and a 3.5 millimeter head jack. Left side of the phone we do have a volume up and down button, and it is spaced. Really love when companies put a space between the volume up and down button, because you can tell which is which when you are in the dark, and I absolutely love that. If we go to the front of the phone, we have our headset and we have our 5 megapixel camera. Now something else on the phone that a lot of people didn't know is we have face recognition to unlock on this phone, so that is pretty awesome. I would like to test this out in this video if that is possible, see how it works, see how fast it is, and put it to the test. We also have gesture shot for selfie, 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of internal memory, and a front and PDAF rear camera, so that is nice. Now let's go ahead and take off this seal and pop in the battery and power this bad boy up. Okay guys, so first impressions on this phone, the screen is actually really clear and crisp. I do love the colors on this device. LG really does it well with these type of devices, but 720p panel looks like 1080p. Really can't tell the difference, but it looks Very, very nice. Phone in my hand also feels very, very comfortable and natural with the rounded edges. It seems to just sit in my hand and it feels very, very nice. It is also pretty thin as well, so very thin and lightweight. Now if we go into settings and we go to our software, we actually do have 7.1.2. So we have 7.1.2 on here. We don't have Android 8.0, but we probably will see Android 8.0 Oreo on here if this does sell enough phones. But yeah, we'll probably see an update for this, hopefully. I'm gonna cross my fingers for that. I know a lot of people love keyboards, so this is how your keyboard is going to look. So there is your keyboard. People also want to take a look at emojis, so if we go over here, the emojis are right here. Boop. So these are the emojis we have, if you guys want to go ahead and take a look at those. I will do an in-depth review on this phone, but these are the emojis that we do have on the LG Aristo 2, so pretty nice. Another cool thing I saw in the settings is smart functions, so you can actually go into gaming and you can change game graphics. So it's on high frame rate right now, you can change it to normal or low or go all the way up to high and save it. So I thought that was a very, very dope feature on the LG Aristo 2. And the last feature I want to take a look at for this unboxing is the face recognition feature. So let's go ahead and go take a look at that. So we have face recognition right here. We're going to go ahead and press next. And we're going to go ahead and put my pin in real quick. Now it says find a place indoors that is not too bright or dim. Hold your phone at eye level. So we're going to go ahead and start that and do that right now. So now that it did that, it says you can now unlock the screen with your face. So we're going to go ahead and press OK. And if you want to improve your face recognition, you can go ahead and do so right there, or you can delete your face. And then there is advanced face recognition, and then there's swipe to unlock after face recognized. So you guys can go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and try this out right now. So that was actually pretty quick. But yeah, I'm actually going to go ahead and try again to see if the phone will unlock with the face recognition, because that was pretty fast. Let's go ahead and see what happens though. So let's turn this phone off, turn it on. Wow, that was insanely fast for this type of phone. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's test this one more time, see if the first two were a fluke. Let's go ahead and try this out. That's pretty crazy, guys. So that was actually pretty awesome, and I'm very impressed with this device. Again, as you guys saw on the receipt, I literally paid the tax on the phone and I paid for an unlimited line, so it was all only $66. So that was absolutely insane for the price point that it is at. I would say definitely go pick one up. First impressions, if you guys are in the market for this type of phone, definitely go ahead and check this out at your local Metro PCS. But yeah guys, I will give you my full review and rundown on this device and tell you if it's 100% worth it at the end of the day. So far guys, this device looks like it's a go. Amazing screen, face recognition, you know, really decent phone for the price point that it's at right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the TechRight fam already. It's been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, guys.